Vijay had 15 pens of different lengths. If 5 longest pens are removed, the average length of the pens with him reduces by 1.5 inches. So let's just assume we have how many? 15 pens of different length. And let's just assume the average length of these pens is A unit. Now 5 longest pens are removed. So how many pens are left? 10. And the average of these pens then reduces by 1.5 inches. Okay. If the average length of these 5 longest pens is 20% more than that of the average length of 15 pens. Okay. So 5 longest pen, average of these 5 is 20% more than that of this average of the total length of 15 pens. Total average length of these 15 pens. So the average of these 5 longest pen is 1.28. Now find the average length of the remaining 10 pens. I have to find this value. Okay, let's just equate the sum of lengths, because total pens have sum of their length as 15A. Now these 10 pens have sum of their length as 10A minus 15, and these 5 pens have sum of their length as 6A. I know when I add these lengths, when I add these two lengths, it will become equal to 15A. So from here, this is 16A, 15A. So A becomes how much? 15 goes to the side, and A becomes 15 inches. So the average length of the total 15 pens is 15 inches. Now what I have to find is A minus 1.5. The average length of remaining 10 pens when 5 longest pens were removed. So it becomes 15 minus 1.5, that is 13.5 inches. So the correct answer is C option, 13.5 inches.